One, two, three. Take your time, guys. I'm just going through charts, just trying to get the feel of really what's going on overall. Like right here, guys, if you take a look at this chart, you see how you got a double bottom down here, right? Market tested twice here and here. Okay, this is for you that don't understand what it means. Here and here. That's a double bottom. All right, the market has found support and has bounced off that double bottom. On the smaller time frame, okay, on your smaller time frame, what we have here is a shift in momentum. So the market basically is in a downtrend, right? But what we ended up doing here was this point there was this point on this chart. So from that point, you had a shift in momentum up. And this move up was greater than this move down. You see that? This move down was the last move down. This move up just overwhelmed this move down. So this right here is telling you that you have a shift in momentum going from down to up. The next step is you would look for a move back down, which basically should run around the length of this. So whether it comes there or here like that. And all you're looking to do is get this pull back down. You're looking at all this data in here, okay? So just keep that in mind. Look at all this data in here. And that data should be supportish on the way down to allow you to set up a buying opportunity on the GBP NZD. But your bottom comes in on the daily chart. You see that? The daily chart has this double bottom, but the smaller time frame hourly shift up and pull back. That pullback, once you see it pull back, you'll then be able to put your stop underneath the low. So this is something that you definitely want to keep an eye on. It may take a couple of days to play out, but do you see the idea, guys? You see how you can set up the chart going forward? You see where support is. You see why support. So it's just the fact that you can just sit there and just be patient, and hopefully the market will come down. It normally does, right? So it's expanded outside the Keltner channels to the upside, and now it's just waiting to come down. It's going to rest a little bit, all right? And that's it. That's all you're looking to do. And the whole shift of momentum here, correction down. You see this? That's a slow line. We're expecting that to correct down for a bit. Hold on a second, guys. Let me just gonna read something here. All right. So we're gonna keep an eye on that. No, not that it's a sell opportunity, Chris. That you want it to pull back because you want to buy it. For instance, if it gets on a pullback, you set up a buy. You're looking for a much larger move to the upside because there's support on the daily chart. You see that? So the daily chart has support. The hourly chart, you're just waiting for that little pullback to buy. Make sense? You see what I'm talking about, Chris? Because think about it. If you're shorting this and this is on a buy, you may get run over. So we don't want that to happen. So we're just marking up the charts as we go forward. And I'll pull out some new ideas. Let me see what we got going on here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'll get to the EU. I'll look at it. A lot of these markets expanding out, you know, big bars the last 2 days. I'm noticing that. Guys, we'll look at it again. I want to shift the idea a little bit. Let's take a look at a 15-minute chart and a 5-minute chart. Start looking at some of the futures markets and see how they are playing out right now. This is the DAX index right here. This is the DAX index. I have no idea what happened to the DAX on that chart. There we go. So I want to introduce other markets to you. Would you guys be interested in that? Show you different things. Right now, the forex markets, a lot of stuff is stretched out. It's going to take time for it to consolidate. You know, I mean, you can sit and stare at it. And, we can talk about it, but um, I want to find some actionable ideas. This is the DAX market, 15-minute chart. Who knows what the DAX market is? Who knows what the DAX market is? I don't cheat. German. So it's the German stock market index. Okay, it's the German stock market index. This can be traded as a futures index. So this is something you can trade at night. So for instance, maybe the London session is a bit boring, right? You never know. If you look here, the market opens. Let me pull up the CME reports here. Let me see if I can find this here, guys. I'm not sure if the DAX was taken over by the CME because they basically have taken over everything, quite honestly. Hold on a second, guys. Let me check my other screen. Yeah, it's in the Eurex, right? Still there? Okay. All right. No, no, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Let me find this, guys. Hold on. So what I was saying, guys, before the system knocked me out, was I'll start over again. Is yeah, I know, right? They don't want us to catch money, right? The Illuminati don't want IML to make it. They want to kind of come down and swarm upon us and try to shut our electricity down. Yesterday they shut our server down. You know, they're watching us. Big dollars are watching us. Watching us extract money from the markets, all our guys. No, not 2 days in a row, man. Don't worry about it. We're okay. So this is the DAX index, okay? This is the DAX, and this is a futures market. Can be traded. Yeah, I don't want to say Killuminati. Remember last time somebody said that? Tupac had to go. So, well, right? Tupac had to go. So, if you look at this, this is the DAX index, the futures. Here's the next chart. This is the futures of Forex. So you have the spot market. This is the futures on it, highly leveraged. I'm going to start showing stuff to you guys. This is the crude oil market. You see this? This is crude oil. You can trade this freely. Yeah, we're going to start doing everything here. We've done it for years. I just haven't really approached IML with it. I haven't ever included it in our model, but we've done it for years. I just never included it in IML because, guys, you have to understand something. The IML trader has less experience than the former company I had because these were guys with a lot of experience where they traded multiple markets. But since we have a phenomenal amount of people on at this point, you know what? Might as well start teaching you a whole nother game. So that way you have a well rounded business. You can trade oil, you can trade gold, you can trade bonds, you can trade futures on Forex while swing trading Forex, spot. You know, you see what I'm saying, guys? You're able to go into the market and trade the European market. You're able to trade crude oil, gold, you know, do things that nobody else is doing at levels they couldn't think about. Because you may relate to bonds. Like bonds are a little bit slower. You may relate to bonds, or you may want to do something that's really wild, like oil. This is no joke. Oil's no joke. For instance, every penny is like $10. So this little bit right here in the last 5 minutes, it's a $130 move, like in no time. Doesn't look like a lot, but they're heavily leveraged. Gold, $100 per point. You know? Yeah. Well, we can put up our levels and zones just like we do with everything else. Like, let's take a look. Let's just take a look. Let's say put up yesterday's range, high and low, right? Let's take a look. Okay. This is obviously in a sideways range, but we all know what we do here. Double it again. And let's see how it works out with our 80s. Okay, guys? And we see here. So if we take our model that we typically use for our S&P futures, you can see how it's respected. You see this, guys? all of our work. You see that? You see how work is respected, all the different levels and zones. Yesterday's low is a big point. So why not come in and let's extract money from the crude oil market, right? Why not? We could do that. Let's look at the gold market. Let's see what this looked like yesterday. See how it looks like today. Here, here. Here. Is that you? Oh, nice, nice, Marco. Now, Marco, you did that on futures, or you did it on MetaTrader 4? There's a whole different level. Like MetaTrader 4 is a whole different level from Ninja. Like two complete worlds. You did on MetaTrader 4. You did on Ninja. Marco. Marco. Buongiorno, Marco. Buongiorno. Yeah. So MetaTrader 4 is different than they just are. The leverage, you can't get, listen, you can't get the leverage on these other markets as you could on, like, for instance, directly with the futures market. So you're going to be learning a whole different game. Buongiorno. Marco, I was in Italy. And I hired a driver. And every morning he'd wake up, he'd pick us up, and he'd go, Buongiorno. My name is Marco. Marco from Rome. And he taught me that Caesar salad is not really Caesar salad. It's Cesare. And quite honestly, I think Caesar sounds better. So if we look here, yesterday's range, and we apply our model to it, we see how it's respected at all these different levels. It's really interesting. Like you can even see right here, the 50% line today, right? And once it came above, the whole momentum shifted from the 50% line. So what we're doing with our model in terms of the highs and lows and all that, forget it. I mean, we are on point, man. So we can definitely apply all this to our work. Let me see here. I'm not going to worry about that right now. DAX. DAX is a great index, and it's also great for market timing. So I think we may end up shifting the New York session a little bit more towards Forex and futures products, and maybe even bring the, hey, Jeff, I know it's you, Jeff. We're chatting on Skype at the same time also. Jeff's my man over there in Asia. Big things to come. Big things to come. So I think, guys, going forward for the New York session, it would be doing you a disservice if we didn't look at all these other products. And I can give you a much better trading day by opening up your minds to the DAX index, Forex and Forex futures, gold, crude, bonds, and we'll have a lot more fun. You guys into it or what? You guys into it? And that way become a much better, well-rounded analyst, trader. We can start looking at lots of things. Because I'll be quite honest with you, in the morning, some of these Forex markets, they just don't move. They just don't move. And you got to take swing trades. You're sitting there looking at these things for 3 days. And quite honestly, you can get bored listening to me. So I think we go into the into this. Looks like a little Gartley pattern, doesn't it? Looks like a little Gartley pattern. I think we go into all these different assorted markets. I think we'll have a lot more fun. I mean, see what we do. You see what we're doing with the futures, right? I mean, it's just we're killing it. Yeah, look at this. You got a Gartley right here on a 5-minute chart of the EUR USD. You got a Gartley here, 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 here. You got a Gartley. You see that? Well, Perla, the London session has more action in the Forex, quite honestly, but the New York session, we kill it in the futures. A lot more money is made in futures than Forex. It just is because of leverage and volatility. You can't get that same volatility with Forex. You just can't. It's impossible because the stock market is open from 9:30 Eastern to 4 p.m. Eastern. So the market literally moves all day long, and the S&P 500 follows it. So let's take a look. Let me show you guys something. Let me school you. Let me school you. Okay? Let's learn. Let's do a little schooling. So even though it's open right here, from here to here, right? It's open. Let's look at the amount of money that is sloshed back and forth, what they call a trading line. So every one of these points, we do 61 is 3. So we got 3 and 5 is 8, right? And 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 7 is 24. 24 and 10, 34. 5 and 4 is 9. That's 39. 44. 47. Then from there, we're just going to say 47. So think about this. This is the S&P futures, right? So let me show you the math on this. Right here is what we call a trading line. Okay, a trading line. What's a trading line? Okay, a trading line is how much, or what they call a trading line, you add up the line of all the swings. And all that will give you an amount. What is it on Traders Way? You don't want to do Traders Way on this. You don't want it. You want to do Ninja Trader. So a trading line counts all the different swings, and at the end you come up with the number. So here was like 49 points, okay? 49 points. All right, so 49 points right there. So think about this. 49 points during the 9 o'clock to 4 p.m. session. If I was to take 49 points times $100 for 2 contracts, 2 positions, equals $4,900 of opportunity, and your leverage, your margin is $1,000 for that. Think about that. You could put up $1,000, trade with $1,000, right? But the markets give you 4,900 points of opportunity. Where can you do that? You guys understand what I'm getting at? $1,000 in leverage, But the market's so volatile, it gives you this much pretty much on a daily basis. Yeah, it's crazy. That's every day. Think about it. We go in and we take $200-300 out. We're done. There's 5,000, right, points of opportunity. It's every single day, every day, every day. You got something new. Okay. The futures market. Let me show you what they are. The futures market. S&P 500 E mini futures. Since 1980, it's been trading, right? You have a $19 trillion market cap. Market cap means the value of all the stocks that's involved with it, right? You have it operates 24 hours a day, just like Forex. You have there's $12.50 a tick, or what you call a pip, and there's 4 ticks in 1 point. 1 point, $50, right? Let me continue. There's a 1 tick spread. Commissions is $4 round turn. Okay, which means totally at your cost. Your total cost, like you can sell the ask, buy the bid. These are things that you can't do in the Forex market, right? You just can't do them. So the futures market allows you to go in and create a profit on a day-to-day basis. So our job is to teach you how to do that. So we have the euro also. The euro is futures also. They have a future contract for the euro as well as a spot market of what you usually trade. Okay, you trade the Forex spot market. That's the same thing. But it's in the futures. Bring what up again? Oh no, I got rid of it. I deleted it. I'm sorry. I'm yawning, crack of dawning. Got my eyes all glassy over here. So the gold market, same thing. You got high volatility right here. High, yeah, I know, right? High volatility type of market. Think about it. The sucker moves around. So, well, if you go in the back office at iMarkets Live, so let's just say we go to iMarkets Live right there. I'll take one of my logins and just log in. Let me show you what to look at. I got to make sure you guys even looking at the same thing I'm looking at. Oh, okay, good. So let me just throw a login in there. You guys are already in email. Okay. So you log into iMarkets Live. It'll probably take about 16 hours to get you in there, right? Once you log in, let's go into circles. Oh, we have a new site front. I want to show you guys. Oh my gosh. Guys, you want to see something really nice? Guys, you want to see something really nice? Check this out. This is going to be coming. They're going to do some adjustments still That's the homepage. The new homepage is coming. Anyway, let me show you something here. Trading library, webinars, how to use Ninja. Trading library, webinars, how to use Ninja. See that? All right. I'm telling you, they got some adjustments to do on the new homepage, but it just adds a whole new level to iMarkets Live. The good-looking guy on that screen, that's me. That's me chilling out on my rooftop. They've Instagrammed me. They've painted me. They threw a little tan on me. Nah, they didn't do that. So it was done in the summer. So right there, how to use Ninja? You click on the button, just like you would click on any button, right? And you have a couple of videos here how to get set up with Ninja. Very simple, guys. It really is. All right. Okay. No, we didn't do anything yesterday in the futures. Today, I'm quite honestly, I'm just going to point out where to buy and sell. So if you guys just follow along and let me just do that for you. I had some issues with my platform, so I'm just going to point out where to buy and sell, and you guys will be able to rock it on your own. So don't worry about it. I got you. Okay? I'll show you what we're going to do. We'll do this together. So what I do is I take the prior day's high, low, right? The prior day's high and low, and then I throw my zones around it. Over here, this is obvious. So I need to add some more zones, so we just do that. Not a problem. Like that. And this is nuts. So yesterday, it looks like the market ended here. The U.S. stock market ended here, and it's down here now. So that means that the market is down about 15 points. Am I correct, guys? Down about 15 points? Everybody agree with that? Who sees that? That's a lot. So, Market Bart, I don't want you trading live today, man. The market's opening very stretched out. I think you go on demo, Market Bart. Go back on demo. Stay on demo. Guys, new guys, everybody stay on demo. All right? The market's opening very, very deep to the downside. And just don't want you to stay out of trouble this morning, okay, guys? You know, guys like Dennis, he's a quadrillionaire. He can trade what he wants. If he loses to him, it's no big deal. But you guys that are brand new, I don't want you losing money, so just relax, okay? Matter of fact, I'm just going to point stuff out. So what I'll do, I'll show you how we're going to play it this morning. So that way you guys stay out of trouble also. So let me show you. If I know where to show you. Okay, let me just see. Dum 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 dum. All right. So we're going to go down to 1 minute chart. All right, guys. Let me put my Hopefully I don't screw this up, but let's see. Template. Ronnie's like, what's going on there? Okay. All right, guys. So market's going to open up pretty deep. So how we're going to do it today, guys? What we're going to do today is I'm going to go back to old style, just for today. Is if I like the buy side, I'm going to point out like that with with my with my arrow. Are we okay with that, guys? So if I say, okay, here's a buy, you guys can get that, no problem? No problem? Okay, good. All right, I'll be back in a few minutes. Chris, where did he go? Where is that guy? Where'd he go? Robinson. Where's Chris? Where's that guy? Where is he? Robinson. Where'd he go? Like my golden retriever. I leave for 2 minutes. You're flipping out. I leave for 2 minutes, man. You're like, where'd he go? I come back. You're like, thank you. um, yo, dogs are cool because you can come back 5 minutes or 5 hours. They have the same personality. They think like you left forever, or they think you never left. Hey, Ronnie. Should I continue to hold positions in gold? I guess. Ba, 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 I don't really use them prime time. Nah, TJ, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna point out where to buy and sell. I'll be honest with you. I'm a bit worn down, man. I'm kind of like trading and nothing today. I'm just gonna give you the trades, give you the ideas. I don't want to execute. I don't want to make any mistakes. So I'll be better off doing the arrows in my analysis. Sometimes you gotta know your own body, you know. You know, like when you're feeling it. I'm just not really feeling it. You love IML? I love IML too, man. IML's cool, isn't it? IML is cool. I have to say, it's the coolest company. Guys, end of April, working together with Arsalan and Austin Godsey for maybe a GVIML, which well actually we're doing it a GVIML event at the end of April. Trading, network marketing, a whole day event. Dallas, 2016. I can't wait, man. I'm driving. I'm taking my dog Ronnie. She's gonna drive. That's it. Let the dog drive. You gotta give her a job. She just sits around all day doing nothing. She's freaking lazy. Yeah, I'm gonna. She can be the hottest cheerleader in Dallas. Here's some pom poms. Um, Robinson, if this swing trades, just watch them, okay? Just swing trades. No, check this out, guys. I was having dinner last night. I was having dinner at a restaurant. And the guy walks up to me. He goes, "I know you." He works in the restaurant. He's like, "I know you." He says, "I saw you on the video." He goes, "Saw me on the video." He's like, "You're an IML." I said, "I'm an IML." Yep, yep. So I said to him, "Good, you get to drive me to Dallas." So in the next 15 minutes, guys, the S&P futures are going to get real volatile because the stock market opens. All right, the stock market opens in. Guys, I'll do this on a demo. Okay, we'll just leave it on demo. Is that fair enough? Do it on demo this morning. We'll do demo. Okay, we'll do demo. Let me just test it. Okay, let me just. Uh, let me not even test it. We'll just do demo. See, my screen is locking up a little bit. Yeah, guys, stay on demo today. Seriously. Unless you're like Dennis or Hector. Why is what? Farah? Why is what? Why on demo? Honestly, because I think I'm going to lose. I don't feel good about this market. You know, I don't really feel good about the market. No, we got to be real, right? If you don't feel it, I'm not going to get you guys. I'm not going to throw you into traffic because I don't feel like driving. You know what I'm saying? It's like keep it real, man. If I feel I want to do, I have a feeling that you'll end up getting hurt today if you trade real. I just don't feel it. So futures. So here's what we can do. If I can get you some, show you some winning work. If I can get some good work out of the way, we'll call it an early day. If not, it's going to be a long day. No, the markets have been real slow. The forex markets have been real slow and spiky. Like all of a sudden, one big move and then it dies. It's weird. So I'm not going to mess with forex anymore today. I don't see it. So 12 minutes left until the futures open. My thinking is, guys, any push down this morning, look at the buy side. All right. So stay on demo if you're new. Don't risk your money. Don't get hurt. Johnny Pips, I'll see you around. Look at the volatility here. Guys with more experience, I think you could do what you want to do, but I don't know if you should buy gold or not, man. I'm not watching it that close. The market's oversold down here. Wait for the play, guys. Wait for the play. 10 minutes until the market opens. Now, what that means is the U.S. stock market opens and a lot of volatility comes in. So that means everything's going to get real busy real quick. But guys, I'll try to give you a positive play. And once I do that, honestly, I'm going to go back to sleep. Sometimes it feel like a nut, sometimes it don't. And I've been dealing with new project for us, a couple of new projects for IML. I'm looking forward to having released. Real excited about that. Little pits. Morning, Dwayne. Good morning. So what do you think, guys? I think the market's a bit oversold. Any push down, I like the buy side. As I said earlier, guys, if you're, you know, maybe get set up on demo or something, I think you'll be fine. If you have less experience, if you have a lot of experience, do what you have to do on your own. But I just feel this is gonna be a very tough little market today, and I don't want to see you get hurt. Good morning, all. Good morning, Jim. Hey guys, look, Chris says stay on demo today. See that? Yeah, right now I'm only looking at futures. I'm not looking at anything else. I'm not looking at anything else right now. Hey Vargas, you want to invest in gold? Get those Obama gold coins. There you go. Get the Bill Clinton collection. Get the George Bush gold coin from the Franklin Mint. That's it. Go to the Franklin Mint and get a gold coin right now today. No, 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 no. Go to Karatbars. That's where you got to go. Spend double for Karatbars, and they'll hold your gold in some safe in the middle of the Seychelles. Yep, that's what you want to do. Get it gold bars, Karatbars. That's it. Because when the dollar disappears, all you're gonna have is gold. Yep. Bring that brick of gold to go get some gas. But the gas is not gonna work because there's no electricity. Because the gas station couldn't pay their bill because they don't have cash because there's no dollars and dollars aren't valuable. So therefore, you can't do it. Everything's ruined. Yep. I had an argument with somebody one day. He says to me, he goes, when the dollar crashes and it's not worth anything, you're gonna listen to me. You're gonna have gold. And I said to him, huh? How are you gonna get it? He goes, I just redeem it. I said, how are you gonna redeem the gold if you can't pay your light bill because there's no money? He said, what do you mean? I said, if you got no electricity, how are you gonna redeem your cash, your gold? He just had to think, right? Then it got even better. He goes, I'll drive to go get it. I said, how are you going to get gas in the car? If the gas station can't take your money, you can give him a brick of gold? So drive around with a brick of gold? Oh my God, I was wearing this guy out. Like, seriously. That's it. God forbid I mentioned Karatbars. They'll end up suing me, right? IML gets sued by Karatbars. Nope. I mean, they're billionaires, right? I'm just like a joke to them. But Yeah, they figured it out. What's Bitcoin? Yep, buy. Yeah, supply and demand. Can you break up this brick of gold for $5 worth of gas? Nope. Oh, they like try to shave off a sliver of gold off a brick. Man, no, seriously. I went to um, I went to London. I went to London last year. I actually was in Manchester, and I needed a plug for my monitor. So I went to the store, and I hand him. I said, "How much is this thing?" He goes, "It's $20." I said, $20. I mean, no, 20 British pounds. So okay, here's 20 British pounds. I gave him like 40 bucks, 30 bucks. He goes, "I don't need your US dollars. I need 20 pounds." So I said, "Well, just take like 30, 40. He goes, "I'm not doing it. I want British pounds." I paid $80 for this $20 cord. Finally, about 80 bucks, he goes, "I'll take your money." So, supply and demand, man. Yep. Never forget that. Oh, yeah, he ruined me, that guy. I go, "I'll give you 70. He goes, "I don't need your US stupid stinking US dollars. I'm like, "How about 80? That's all I got." He says, "You know what? I'll take it. I'll do you a favor." So I bought a $20 cord for about 80 bucks. Just like buying $20 worth of gas with a $200 gold coin. Right, Ronnie? I'll do you a favor. You did me. Oh, man. Chris. Oh, look. Look who it is. Look who it is. Black ink. Black ink. Oh, really? Then I guess we're going to have to go live. Take it off a sim. Open up my account. Now we'll go live. Just go straight live, baby. Gloves are off. I'm getting ready to make some big deposits for the trading pool into the future side. That's it. I appreciate you put me on the spot like that. I'm like one of the days where I don't feel like actually trading. But no. Ronnie, help me out here, man. I have to trade this morning. Oh my gosh. Ronnie, we're in trouble. We're in trouble. I know. I would bark too. Ronnie, I need you to growl very loudly. Other people in the chat room waiting for my demise over here. All right, you stay on demo because I'm being forced to trade. Ay, 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 ay. All right, so let's just see where we stand here, guys. I'm believing the market should try to test down first. So listen, guys, if you're trading, risk no more than $300 on the day. $300 is your maximum. $300 risk. If you are going to trade live, $300 risk on 2 contracts, 3 points. All right, so our model. Basically, we will risk around 300 bucks max. All right, you risk about 300 bucks on 2 contracts. With that, we have a 54 days of wins, 7 days of losses. I think we're up about 16 to 17,000, as per I think Dwayne. Am I correct? Or Dennis? Dennis Blaine? Bing, bang, boom. Dwayne? You guys are keeping track. You guys are keeping score. Nah, no more forex this morning. How's the profit and losses there, Dwayne? 85%. 85%. All right, so maximum. Using NinjaTrader here. Maximum. Oh wow, he put it there. Great. So let's see. I had 8 losing days. 8? Are you crazy? Come on, man. I thought it was 7. You made me a liar, man. Michael Percy. Michael, you and your wife like motivational speakers? Or Dania? Are you guys motivational speakers? Use version 7. And what's the... Hold on a second. Okay. What are we doing here? Oh, wow. Look like you both have fun doing it. I was looking at your my I'm not sure if it's Michael or Daniel on with us, but it looks like you guys have a ball doing it. Seriously. Yeah, Mike. You guys look like you have a freaking ball doing it, man. Very, very tough little markets here, guys. Keep that in mind. Tough little markets, okay? Yeah, don't use MetaTrader for the futures. Don't use MetaTrader for the futures. You're wasting your time. The spread's too wide. They don't give enough leverage. It's a waste. Don't do it, guys. Don't do it. Please don't do it. No, do version 7, Forex Chick. Version 7. That's fine. Very tight market here, guys. Very tight market. Very tight market here. Um, I think learn all you could learn, you know? Why not? Learn all you could learn. Learn both. What's the big deal? So the market, we're right, yesterday's lows are way up here. It's like it's holding resistance at one of our levels. So if they can push up again, I may look at the short side, guys. If they push up again, I may look at the sell side. 45.50. If they push up again, funny, a lot of the young generation. Hey, Kaya. Yeah, it does. Kaya, it does. But you don't get that many ideas for the S&P 500 for the scanner. Unfortunately, you just don't. I wouldn't trade futures also on MetaTrader 4. I wouldn't trade anything on the futures on MetaTrader 4. Hmm. Very, very slow market here, guys. Very slow market this morning. So I'm not believing the market can make new highs. So I'm thinking any push back up, we could sell into. Okay. But weird type of action. Very weird type of action. Hope I didn't miss the only opportunity for today. Don't worry about it, Nile. Don't worry about it, man. You'll get it. Just follow along day by day. You'll get it, brother. Don't worry about it. Of course you're lost. It's the beginning of something new for you.
Order
Just
pending.
every day.
Order filled.
Just show up. You'll see. All right, guys, if this holds down here, can become buyers. Watching this area down here, guys. We're gonna watch it. Guess not. We're gonna watch it. Do anything, gonna have a 38.50 stop. Tight stops, guys. Buy them. Tight stops. Buy them. 38.50 stops, guys. One point stop. 1 point stop. Very tight stops. Very nice stops indeed. Tight, tight, tight. We're risking maximum 300 on a day, so we're risking $100 here. You're risking $100 only. Giving it a chance. I only want you to risk $300 maximum in any one day, guys. Even if I do more, you keep your maximum to 300. So that way you stay with the model. You have a nice, long-lived track record there. Okay. Let's just see if this market wants to hold. Big test area down here. Let's see. Let's see if it wants to hold. Stay on demo today, guys. You know me. I want you guys on demo. I don't want you getting hurt today. Stay on demo. Anybody's trading live, $300 maximum risk in a day, but I'm suggesting people stay on demo today. All right. I don't want you getting hurt. Just one of those days, man. I'm not feeling it. And you know, when I don't feel it, I'm being straight with you. So if I lose, that's okay. For you to lose, it's not okay. So if you're new, don't get into trouble. I don't mind you not trading if the risk is too high. Don't soak up my knowledge. Not today. Tough action. See this market? Tough action. See? We'll continue to watch this. If it holds, I'll continue to buy it again, okay? We're watching it, guys. If it holds here, we're going to buy it again. All right, guys, buying them. One more time. Giving it a shot here. Another point, risking another point. Okay? That's why I say stay on demo today, because I'm not really feeling it so much. So if it holds here, not feeling it here, guys. Not feeling it. Stay on demo, guys. I don't want you losing money today. Seriously. I'm looking at all this prior action from the overnight markets, okay? I'm looking at all this prior action from the overnight markets. And if they could hold it, we could have a nice little swing back up. That's kind of what I'm looking at. We're so deeply oversold this morning that the market should get a nice reaction back up. Obviously, it's not doing it. So, whatever. need to get away from this area down here. It's having a struggle. Turn around Tuesday. So we're going to turn around on the flush down and turn back up? No. Or was this the turnaround up here? That's the problem. Hello. Yeah, see this guy is just horrible action. So I'm saying just sit on the sidelines. Don't put any money in the market this morning. Anybody that is $300 maximum risk. If we get stopped out, I will do it one more time and then that's it. I may even double up. Yep. All right, guys. This is why I say stay out of the market this morning. Stay out of trouble. Stay out of trouble this morning, guys. And I get a better feel to know if it's the right market or not, and I just felt it this morning. So, not a big problem. You guys happy
Order
keeping you out of the
pending.
markets this morning? Say yes, Christopher. I'm happy to keep you out of the markets this morning because you know you're going to lose. All right? Sometimes you just feel it beforehand.
Order filled.
Seriously. I don't mind getting a little bit hurt. I'm not really hurt, I just don't mind taking a little bit just as to get my feel for the market. But I don't want you guys to do it. I'm not going to do that to you. I'm going to give it one more shot down here, buying the market down here one last time to see if this area would hold. 3650 stops down here. This would be the end of it in terms of what I would normally risk. And we've only had like 7 or 8 losing days in the past couple of months. So I'm not concerned about that. These are test areas that I'm watching. All right, test areas that I'm watching to see if they hold. But you can see the market's not even giving a bounce. It's just horrible. Very, very horrible action, guys. Just don't put any money into the markets. Don't risk, okay? Roman, I think you can use NinjaTrader. I think it's still okay to use it there. All right? I think it's still okay to use it there. Normally what I would do if it holds down here, would double up the position. All right? I would like to see it bounce first, then double up the position down here. See if we get a little bit better of a bounce. Like I'll double up the position down here, guys. Normally I would like to do that. And if this whole thing is a turnaround Tuesday and this is a test area, we should have a nice run. Other than that, I don't particularly see much here, guys. So honestly, I think we're wasting our energy this morning. Demo money, okay? Demo money this morning, guys. Stay on demo money. And that's probably the first time you heard me say that, right? You never hear me say that. Just, I know what today's bringing. It's just, you feel it. Why? Because blatant, I just don't feel it. It's just if you know yourself. I'm just playing around on small stuff here, but I just don't feel it. So it would be more dramatic for you to lose, 300 than me. You know what I'm saying? I just don't want you to do that. Exactly. NFP, you see how wacky it's been yesterday, right? Now, Kevin Bowser, is that you? All right, Kevin Bowser. Man, you've been here for 3 years already, huh? Almost 3 years. Hey, Susan. Now, if this is a turnaround Tuesday, we should find the bottom down here somewhere, and this can run up pretty sharply. That's kind of what I'm looking for. Um, Billy, I wouldn't do that. I would just buy it quarterly. Keep the money in your account. Just buy it quarterly. Don't buy the whole thing up front. I want to get above this point. I want to get above this point. Juice. There's no juice. Yeah, go back to study it. A lot of times you get that turnaround Tuesday, you get that testing in one direction in the first, 20, 30 minutes of the day. Then it reverses and goes a whole nother direction the rest of the day. You'll tend to see that. I'm just not sure we're going to see that today. I'm just not sure we're going to see that. I mean, this would have to be a really strong impulse to the upside here for us to even consider that. All right, it would have to be a really strong impulse. This green line would have to be violated and immediately get up to this 41 half area. I would be considering that would shift the momentum from going from down to up. So if we can get up to around 41 and a half, 42, the momentum would have been shifted from down to up. So something we want to watch out for now. But right now the market's still volatile. Risk to the downside. So if the market can get us here, right there, definite chance for a big shift in momentum to the upside. Okay. So let's watch that 41 half. I see the market get above this line right here. If we could do that, you can have a nice move to the upside, probably about 6, 7 points. Yeah, not yet. I don't think so. So watch that green dotted line on the right-hand chart. That green dotted line is important. It's one of our little levels, key levels we watch. It's trying to get above this area here. It's trying. All right, trying. It's trying. Look how slow the market is, guys. Look how slow it is today. Oh my gosh, it's ridiculous. You know, a lot of times you'll start to, if you get that turnaround Tuesday type of action, you get that sharp move up to lock everybody in because it's everybody's thinking, oh, it's a little short, it's going to go lower, and bam, it'll just start trapping everybody. So something to watch out for. All right, just something to watch out for.
Order filled.
So remember, if we can get up to 41.5, you'll have a nice shift in momentum going from down to up, which means that this thing will go a lot higher. That means the bottom will be in. You'll be fine. Well, Brasswood, on our website in the back office of iMarkets Live, you look under webinars, and you'll see setting up NinjaTrader. Okay. Oh, is that what it is? Tomorrow is the FOMC. Maybe today is that's what it is. Day before, just everybody's like sitting on the sidelines. All the big companies. You just never know what's going to happen. Who knows? Anything's possible. I'm thinking it's turnaround Tuesday. I think the morning selling was the buy. You know, I think that early push up was nonsense. I think the move down was the buy. You know, and remember what I said? They'll trap you and then they'll just start running to the upside. So as they go higher, guys, what's going to happen is you have the neophyte traders are starting to jump on to add some fuel to the fire. So key to get above is 41.5. Okay, 41.5. Key to get above 41.5. So you should feel real comfortable. I don't care if you're on demo live, but you know, like I said, today more of a demo day. But at least it's a learning day. You guys can learn. Is the turnaround Tuesday. You tend to get that push for the first 20 minutes to half hour, and then everything will shift the whole other direction. And that's where you can make your money. So you may lose once, twice, you take little stops, and once you catch that low, it's game over. The game is, you know, you're now in control, right? Yeah. So right here is that shift of momentum right there at this 41.50. This is where you want to see the market start rocketing to the upside. Okay? Is where you want to see the market start changing gears. Okay? So you literally can wind down and lock in 3 of the 4, leave you with 1, right? You leave him with 1 risk, 1 stop, and you can bring your stops all the way up, right? You can bring your stops all the way up. Okay? So what did I tell you about Turnaround Tuesday,
Order
guys?
pending.
You now understand what I'm talking about, Turnaround Tuesday? All right? You like that? You like that, guys? Turnaround Tuesday?
Order filled.
So hit the close button. Hit the close button. All right? And how did you do? All right, let's see how you did. All right? I mean, this is real, but, you know. So now you understand. Now you understand what Turnaround Tuesday is, guys? You understand that? How'd you do, guys? How'd you do? How'd you do, guys? Demo or live? How did you do? Talk to me. How did you do, guys? How did you do, guys? How did you do? So, look at that. Look at that. I don't care if it's live or demo, man. The fact that you did something, that's good. That's nice. Now, who's that guy who said I had a bunch of futures traders in the office? Who's that guy that said I had a bunch of futures traders in the office? Black Ink. How we do, Black Ink? We do okay for you, Black Ink? Hey, Black Ink, how do we do? Huh? How do we do, Black Ink? So the main thing was to keep the younger generation, the younger traders in the game, out of trouble. More experienced guys is different, but the guys who are new accounts, I didn't want you playing around, man. You know? Yeah, where's Black Ink? Black Ink, get back over here. Get over here. Black Ink. Actually, Black Ink's a good man.
Order filled.
He's a good man. We just had he was in Vegas with me. He was in Vegas with me not too long ago. Everybody's happy. All right, good. So guys, did you learn? Did you learn? Turnaround Tuesday? You see? Fake out, down, 15 to 20 minutes, 20 minutes to 30 minutes. You see that? You get it? That's all it is, man. Who is scared? Who is scared? Come on, put your hand up. So, R. Dear Black Ink, I love you. Black Ink, you're the one that had breakfast with me, right? In Vegas, yeah. We ate in Vegas, right? Yes. Nice. All right, so, well, guys, I did what I had to do. Normally it takes about 15, 20 minutes, half hour, right? Oh, right here. Right there. Right there. Oh, man. Blatant. Blaine, I got the videos in the back office. Yeah, you know what? You can use anywhere from 3,000 to 5,000, man. All right, guys, I'm gonna go to sleep for a while. I'm exhausted. If anybody else comes on, tell them they're late. I'm gonna go back to sleep. I'm sorry. I'll leave the charts up. You can watch them, but watch the levels, watch your zones. All right. There's no reason to sit here. You did what you had to do, right? I made your money. Now get out of here. All my people eating. All right, guys. I'll leave everything on. You can watch the charts and watch the different levels and zones. But great day, guys. Great day. Good work. Good work. Right? It's all timed out, right? 15 to 30 minutes. Turnaround Tuesday. Test the zone. 15 to 30 minutes. Go the other way. Right? And bang. You see how it happened? Add Turnaround Tuesday to your vocabulary. Have a good day. Have a good night, guys.